Well, peace and blessing, honey chillin'. This shit a Queen Quet, head bun body, the Gullah Geechee Nation. We going on today to give a few things out to my alma mater, St. Helena Elementary School. We want to keep all the children safe and all of that and things like that. And so we could bring some things for the teacher and for the Lily children. I could share what we to give to the Lily children so Hunter can share this thing with Hunter children wherever Hunter to be. But you know, some of the things I love about coming here, that this year, with the right here as we come through the door, that let you know, seek first to understand, then to be understood. Okay? That my mom always say, understand the greatest thing in the world. So that's the thing we need to forget. And we need to understand this ain't no play time. We have to go ahead and we have to use we mind, we have to think. Okay, why I tell her to children before? On a think free, on a be free. People like to say win-win, but you don't have no win-win again, lest you think. And you have to be proactive. Don't be reactionary. Be proactive. So we can be proactive of protecting who we be right here. And so that's why, Hunter chillin', we about to carry yourself on the inside and bring Hunter in and let you see a welcome to St. Helena Elementary.